Hello friends, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. I came with one of the greatest opportunity for 2024 and 2025 pass out student. So upGrad is hiring for large global IT consulting and technology service organization. So you have to just fill a form and give all the detail very carefully. So please note that all the information shared by you will be validated at the point during this process. Okay, so if you will give any wrong detail, then your uh, basically it will lead to disqualification. So make sure to give all the detail carefully, and this is one of the greatest opportunity for 2024 and 2025 B.Tech, M.Tech. So must apply this. So first of all you have to give your full name, then college university name, then personal email id. So make sure that email id should be active because you will receive all the communication here. Then gender, date of birth, city, current address, state and union territory, then mobile number and alternate mobile number, highest degree. So you can see here this is the qualification. So BE bachelor and B.Tech and ME M.Tech, these all branches are eligible. Okay, means those who have this degree they are eligible for this. Talking about the branch specialization for highest relevant degree, so you have to mention complete name of this. So suppose you are from CSC, so don't write CSC, you should write computer science and engineering. If you are from the EC background, then you should write complete course name, that is electronics and communication engineering. Then you have to give the passing year. So whether you are 2024, 2025, 26 pass out. So currently this is the hiring, or they are preferring for the candidate who have their degree or they have certificate. So they are hiring for 24 and 2025 pass out, and they are preferred. So if you are 2026 you can give, but I will suggest don't apply for this. You can refer to other opportunity which I have already shared on my YouTube channel. Then UG degree score in percentage. Okay, so you have to convert your CGPA to percentage and give their detail. Okay, if applicable PG degree score if you have, then you can give. Then 12 score in percentage, and if diploma then score in percentage, then 10 score in percentage. And do you have any backlog? This is one of the important things. If you have backlog then you are not eligible for this. So make sure to click this yes for further consideration, and number of active backlog, and then information disclosure, and just I agree. And please note that these are the important things they have mentioned. upGrad is solely for learning partner providing upskilling training. We are not a recruiting agency, and they are not guaranteeing similar jobs or anything. So if you are selected after the test, then they will basically send you mail for the interview, and these are important detail. Hope informative to you. I have already uploaded detailed job update for 2025 as well as 2024 pass out, so you can also check out those video. If you have any query, feel free to ask or comment here. I feel very happy to help you. मिलते हैं अदर जॉब अपडेट में. थैंक यू.